Last summer I was out digging weeds and I was using a screwdriver and my neighbor came and she brought me her trowel and she was like, here, you should use this. And so I used it and I ordered myself one the very next day. We have loved this. We use this so often. This is the Fiskars little trowel. It has like a little bit of a bevel so you can scoop. You can use this for planting. You can use this for weeding. It does have a little edge right here. And my favorite tool, the one we use all the time, is this little tip right here. I'm going to show you, see if you can see. There's a weed right here. This is like a dandelion. These have notoriously massive roots and you have to get all the root or else it just keeps growing back. So what I like to do is I just like to pick it up and see where the root inserts. And I just go in and pop it up and it pops the whole root. And just like that, it is gone. So I have loved using this. Highly recommend it. Since I have used it, I told my brother to get it and he's gotten it. And it's been such a great little tool for weeding, a great little thing to have around the house. Highly recommend it if you are looking into this. You won't regret it.